Hey, hello, and welcome to this wonderful course on equity, swing, and positional trading. First of all, let me congratulate you for taking this best decision of enrolling in this course. This trading strategy is going to transform your trading journey in the equity space. I am Ashutosh Gadgir. I am based out of Pune, Maharashtra, India, and I am connected with the Indian stock markets since 2005. I have been conducting trading and training mentorship programs since 2017, and my forte is on equity and its derivatives. Now, let us understand what this strategy is all about, what is expected out of you to get the best out of this strategy. It is required from you, or what efforts are required from you, are only just spending 10 minutes in a day in the stock market. Yes, you heard it right. You need to dedicate only 10 minutes in a day. The 5 minutes that you need to give in the morning between 9:15 and 9:20, that is when the Indian markets open. You need to give 5 minutes in the morning just to place your targets on any active positions that you have. If you do not have any active position, you do not even need to spend those 5 minutes in the morning. Since we are doing this in equity positional and you need to carry your trades overnight, the target orders that you have placed on the previous day, if they are not executed, you obviously would need to place a new target order the next day. If it gets executed, well and good. Otherwise, the next day you will have to place a new target order. If the target order is not executed, it automatically gets dropped by the market closing time. You also need to spend another 5 minutes between 3:25 and 3:30, that is the closing bell period, to check whether there are any trading opportunities, and if you find any, how to spot an opportunity would come in the next part of the lectures. You will get that. If you find any opportunity, that is the period when you will place your orders at the closing price. So, all in all, only 10 minutes in a day are required from you. What can you expect out of this strategy? As the title of this course says, we will be targeting for extremely easy a garden walk method of only 5% return on each trade minimum. The word minimum is extremely important because this particular strategy has potential of delivering super huge returns, but we will adopt a conservative approach and start our partial profit bookings from a 5% return. When I say super huge, I literally mean super huge. Now, in terms of percentage, how much it is, you will get to know in the next parts of those lectures, because at this stage, it may sound too good to be true. So let's not get into that at this stage. We will adopt a partial profit booking approach, wherein once we get the 5% return basis our entry price, we will we will offload some part of our holding quantity, around 25 to 30% of our quantity, and then we will keep on collecting the profits as and how the rally continues. Important part of this strategy is that we do not use any kind of indicators in this. You might have come across various indicators like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, Super Trend, and the list goes on. However, we will not use any of them. Most of the trading indicators available, or the most popular ones, are lagging indicators. That means they tell you, or they depict the picture after the picture is already created. So that is not of much use to us. What we are interested in is to understand way before or at a very early stage of the picture being created, so that is when you can participate in that rally. We are going to learn this strategy on a pure play price action. Now, this strategy can be used very well in all the stocks which have adequate liquidity. However, my personal observation is that it works wonders on small and mid cap stocks. Now, when we say small and mid cap stocks, this itself is a huge universe. Small cap itself has the small cap listed index itself has more than 150 stocks and little more in mid caps. So which stocks are you going to choose and how are you going to find the right trading opportunities only in the last 5 minutes that you have? You will get to understand it in the next lectures. Just at a click, or rather just at 2 or 3 clicks of your mouse, I am going to tell you the technique of finding stocks which are about to blast, and that is where your swing and positional entries will create wonders. Now, it is assumed that the learner is having basic knowledge of stock markets. When I say basic, I mean extremely basics, like what is target, what is stop loss, what is partial profit booking, what is a candlestick. If I show you a candle, if I show you a green candle, you should be able to identify what is the close, what is the open, what is the high, and what is the lows, what is the low. You should know that a red candle has a close lower than the open. So these basic concepts of stock market, you are expected to know about it, because this particular course is a purely of an applied nature. We will not be drooling over the basics of stock markets in this course. We will directly shoot on to the targets. I'll tell you how to find the target, how to aim the target, and how to shoot it. So, some basic knowledge of stock markets is important to get the best out of this positional and swing trading strategy. In the next few lectures, you will get to understand the core of this strategy, and your journey in this particular course is going to be an extremely pleasant one, and it is going to create a transformation on the way that you look at stock markets. I'm excited to continue this journey with you, and stay tuned with me. I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.